राज्य शिक्षा केंद्र मध्य प्रदेश की उत्कृष्ट पहल अब पढ़ाई नहीं रुकेगी पर नगर शिक्षा केंद्र एक जबलपुर के सक्रिय समर्पित तथा नवाचारी शिक्षकों के माध्यम से तैयार किए गए हमारे सायंकालीन पाठ्य वस्तु आधारित शिक्षण के प्लेटफॉर्म पर हमारी आज दिनांक 6 नवंबर की लर्निंग कक्षा 8वीं के अंग्रेजी विषय पर आधारित है। आज के हमारे अंग्रेजी विषय के एक्सपर्ट हैं अपर्णा चक्रवर्ती मैम। चक्रवर्ती मैम शासकीय माध्यमिक विद्यालय रामपुर जबलपुर में पदस्थ है। तो आइए आज के इस वंडरफुल इंटरैक्टिव लर्निंग के प्रारंभ में मैं प्रमोद श्रीवास्तव विकास खंड अकादमिक समन्वय नगर शिक्षा केंद्र एक जबलपुर आज की अपने अंग्रेजी विषय के एक्सपर्ट माननीय अपर्णा चक्रवर्ती मैम तथा यूट्यूब में जुड़े आप सभी जिज्ञासु विद्यार्थियों और उनके टीचर्स का भावभीना हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। अब पढ़ाई नहीं रुकेगी कि अपने स्लोगन के साथ आइए आज की अपनी इंटरैक्टिव और ये बेहतरीन लर्निंग को प्रारंभ करें और आदर के साथ आमंत्रित करें माननीय अपर्णा चक्रवर्ती मैम।
धन्यवाद सर। सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। आज हम फिर इकट्ठे हुए हैं और एक नया लेसन और कुछ नए टॉपिक्स के साथ इंग्लिश के क्लास 8 के लेसन 12 में। सबसे पहले आज मैं चाहूंगी आप लोगों को कुछ न्यू वर्ड्स प्रैक्टिस करवाऊं। पाठ से संबंधित कुछ न्यू वर्ड्स, सम न्यू वर्ड्स फ्रॉम दिस लेसन। फर्स्ट, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वेपन। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वेपन। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक का अर्थ होता है विशिष्ट, विशिष्ट या विशिष्टता, कुछ विशेष। वेपन का अर्थ होता है हथियार। तो इसको हम बोलेंगे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वेपन। दैट मीन्स सम स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ आर्म्स एंड एम्यूनेशंस, कुछ विशिष्ट प्रकार के हथियार। सेकेंड वर्ड है कस्टमरी। सेकेंड वर्ड इज customary. Customary word is taken from custom. Custom यानी रिवाज, custom यानी रिवाज और customary यानी रिवाजी, means रिवाज से जुड़ा हुआ, and its pronunciation is customary. Customary means रिवाज। Dynasty, dynasty, डायनेस्टी यानी किसी राजवंश से संबंधित। इट इज रिलेटेड विथ सम राजवंश यानी जो रूलर्स का वंश होता है, जो शासक वंश होते हैं, उनको हम डिनेस्टी बोलते हैं। ग्लोरियस, प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज ग्लोरियस। ग्लोरियस यशस्वी, शानदार। ग्लोरियस फ्यूचर या ग्लोरियस डिनेस्टी मीन्स जिनका जो ऐसा राजवंश जो बहुत ही यशस्वी था, बहुत ही शानदार, जिनका इतिहास रहा होगा। हेरिटेज, हेरिटेज, हेरिटेज यानी विरासत। हेरिटेज, प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज हेरिटेज। Heritage means virasat. Two words are connected with each other in this lesson. Memory. First word is memory. Memory यानी याद में, memory यानी किसी की याद में, in remembrance of anything, any person, any place. पिलर, पिलर यानी स्तंभ। दिस मीन्स कि ये एक ऐसा स्तंभ जो किसी की याद में बनाया हुआ हो। मेमोरी पिलर। रिकॉग्निशन, रिकॉग्निशन, रिकॉग्निशन मीन्स पहचान, to recognize, मान्यता भी कह सकते हैं हम, रिकॉग्निशन, पहचान या मान्यता। स्कैटर, स्कैटर यानी तितर बितर करना, स्कैटरिंग स्ट्रेज, स्कैटर किसी चीज को इधर से उधर हटाना, तितर बितर करना, इसका एक्चुअल अर्थ है तितर बितर करना, स्कैटरिंग। स्टोन कार्व्ड, स्टोन मीन्स पत्थर, कार्व्ड यानी नक्काशी, तो पत्थर के ऊपर किसी चीज को उकेरना। चित्र, अक्सर जो हमारे पेंटिंग्स और गुफाओं में जो भी चित्र वगैरह है वो स्टोन कार्व्ड होते हैं। सॉरी, ये 10 शब्द आज हमने, जो न्यू शब्द आज हमने देखे, अभी लेसन में हम और भी न्यू शब्द देखेंगे, लेकिन ये कुछ शब्द थे जो मुझे स्पेशल लगे। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक विशिष्ट, विशेषता, वेपन हथियार, कस्टमरी रिवाज, डिनेस्टी राजवंश, ग्लोरियस यशस्वी, हेरिटेज विरासत, मेमोरी याद में, पिलर स्तंभ, रिकॉग्निशन पहचान, स्कैटर बिखेरना, स्टोन कार्व्ड पत्थर पर उकेरा गया। Now today's lesson is related with a tribal village. Tribes, it is the description of tribes, their history, their glorious history, their traditional wears, their rulers, and their famous persons who are becoming very famous in international level also, national and international level also. Tribes or the tribal dynasty or the tribes are very they are very glorious in our country, and their history is also very old, very ancient history. I'll start reading the lesson. It was the middle of lesson 12. Know more about. Know, what does word know means here? Know, K is silent, K-N-O-W, know, ज्ञान या जानना, मोर अबाउट के बारे में और जाने, किसके बारे में? ट्राइब्स के बारे में या जनजातियों के बारे में हम जितना जानते हैं उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने। तो लेसन का नाम है नो मोर अबाउट। इट वॉज द मिडल ऑफ जून and it had not rained for several weeks. The grass was brown, the leaves of the trees were covered with dust. Some people in their traditional dresses and turbans on their heads were standing and talking. A young boy, Sattu, pedaled off down the main road of the village, scattering the stray hens and the villagers. Just then, a visitor came there. It was the middle of June and it had not rained for several weeks. जून माह के मध्य का समय था और कई सप्ताह तक बारिश नहीं हुई थी। The grass was brown, the leaves were covered with dust. घास पूरी तरह से सूख चुके थे और पेड़ों की पत्तियां धूल से भरी हुई थी। Some people in their traditional dress, again a new word, traditional dress means पारंपरिक कपड़े, traditional dress and turbans on their heads were standing and talking. Turbans पगड़ी, कुछ लोग गांव के अपनी पारंपरिक वस्त्र पोशाक में से माथे पर पगड़ी बांधे हुए खड़े और बातें कर रहे थे। A young boy Sattu pedaled off down the main road of the village, scattering the stray hens in the villages and the villages. एक छोटा बच्चा जिसका नाम सत्तू है, साइकिल चलाता हुआ गांव के मुख्य सड़क से, मुख्य मार्ग से गांव के अंदर आया और उसने उसकी साइकिल की स्पीड से जो हैंस यानी मुर्गियां थी वो सब इधर उधर तितर बितर हो गई और जो विलेजेस आपस में बातें कर रहे थे वो भी उसके मार्ग से हट गए। जस्ट देन अ विजिटर केम, तभी एक आगंतुक का आगमन हुआ। विजिटर, हे, विल यू प्लीज हेल्प मी? सत्तू, why not? But what type of help do you want? Visitor, could you please tell me the name of this village as well as your name? Sattu, the name of my village is Khattali and mine is Sattu. Visitor, I would like to know more about your society, its lifestyle, its art and culture, its food and festivals. Sattu, I belong to the Bhil tribe. My uncle is a Guruji in our village school and he can tell you more about our lifestyle, art, festival, etc. Visitor, that's fine. I will be delighted to meet him. Let's go. Visitor came and asked Sattu for some help. कुछ मदद मांगी उन्होंने। सत्तू asked, what type of help do you want? मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ? Visitor asked the name of the village and his name also. Sattu told that my village's name is Khatali and my name is Sattu. Visitor said that he wanted to know about their society, their lifestyle, their art, culture, food, festival, everything. Sattu said that he belongs to Bhil tribe and his uncle is a Guruji in village school. So he can tell very nicely more about their society. Visitor said, it is very fine. He'll be delighted. Delighted means बहुत खुश होंगे, उन्हें बहुत खुशी होगी उन सत्तू के अंकल से मिलने में। They both went to his uncle. Sattu, meet my uncle Shri Jam Singh. Jam Singh, hello sir. Visitor, hello Jam Singh. Sattu, Kako, what he wants to know about our society, our lifestyle, festivals, art and culture. Jam Singh, we belong to the Bhil tribe. It is believed that the word Bhil is derived from the Dravidian word for bow. Dravidian word means Dravid is a region combinedly named as for Tamil and Kannada. In Dravidian language, bow means bill, which is their characteristic weapon. Do you find wheels in other parts of India also? Visitor asked. Jam Singh, yes. Besides Madhya Pradesh, we are also found in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. But the maximum wheel population is in MP, mainly in districts Jhabua, Dhar, Khargone, Barwani, Ratlam, etc. Jam Singh and visitor go round the village and stop in front of a house. As Sattu took visitor to his uncle, they greeted each other. जैसे ही सत्तू अपने चाचा के पास आगंतुक को ले गए, उन्होंने एक दूसरे को ग्रीट किया, मीन्स एक दूसरे को उन्होंने नमस्ते की। Now Sattu told that he wanted to know about our society. जाम सिंह डिस्क्राइब्ड भील ट्राइब. जाम सिंह ने भील जनजाति की डिस्क्रिप्शन दी. भील इट इज बिलीव्ड, ऐसा विश्वास किया जाता है या ऐसा माना जाता है कि द वर्ड भील, जो शब्द है भील, इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम, उसे जो निष्कर्ष निकाला गया है वो है द्रविडियन वर्ड. द्रविड़, जो हमारा तमिल और कन्नड़ क्षेत्र को मिलाकर कहा जाता था द्राविड़, वहां पर एक शब्द है बाव. बाव यानी तीर, जो उसको बील शब्द से वो कहते हैं बिल. और आपको सभी को पता है कि जनजातियों की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वेपन है, विशिष्ट हथियार है, वो तीर धनुष ही है. और इसी से वो शब्द भील निकाला गया है. इट इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम अ द्रविडियन वर्ड बिल, which is their characteristic weapon. Now visitor asked, in which other parts of India does Bhils or the tribal peoples are found? Jam Singh said, besides Madhya Pradesh, they are also found in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. मध्य प्रदेश के अलावा गुजरात, राजस्थान और महाराष्ट्र में भी वो पाए जाते हैं. But the maximum Bhil population is in MP. सबसे अधिक जो जनजाति हैं वो हमें मध्य प्रदेश में ही पाए जाते हैं, और वो भी विशेष जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं वो हैं झाबुआ, धार, खरगोन, बड़वानी, रतलाम इत्यादि. Jam Singh and visitor go round the village and stop in front of house. पूरे गांव की भ्रमण करने निकले और वो एक घर के सामने रुक गए. Visitor, what a beautiful house. Tell me something about your houses. आश्चर्य से, what a beautiful house. Jam Singh, we love forests and therefore settle near forests. We get several types of forest products, wood and bamboo to build our houses. Our houses are mainly made up of wood, bamboo and with tiled roofs or tiled roofs. The bamboo walls are plastered with mud and cow dung. The walls are decorated with pithora painting. Some who are good at wood carving carve designs on the pillars and the doors of their houses. When they stopped near a house, visitor was surprised to see their house. And he said, what a beautiful house, kitna sundar ghar hai. Now he wanted some more descriptions about their houses. So Jam Singh said that we love forest and we settle near forest. हमें वनों से बहुत प्रेम है और हम वनों के पास ही बसते हैं. इसका कारण ये है कि हम वनों के बहुत सारे जो उत्पाद हैं उसका उपयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वुड एंड बैम्बू टू बिल्ड आवर हाउसेस. लकड़ी और बांस से हम अपने घर बनाते हैं. Our houses are mainly made up of wood, bamboo and tiled roofs. हम अपने घरों को खासकर लकड़ी, बांस से बनाते हैं और जो रूफ होते हैं वो खपड़ों के होते हैं. रूफ यानी छत. Bamboo walls are plastered with mud and cow dung. और हम अपने बांस से बने दीवारों पर मिट्टी और गोबर की लिपाई करते हैं. And the walls are decorated with pithora painting. और फिर हम उन दीवारों पर पिथौरा पेंटिंग से बहुत सुंदर डेकोरेशन करते हैं, सजाते हैं. Those who are at good carving carve designs on pillars. जिन्हें बहुत अच्छी लकड़ी पर नक्काशी करनी आती है, वो अपने घरों के दरवाजे और स्तंभ या खंभों को भी नक्काशी करते हैं. There is always a cattle shed adjoining our house. Some people construct pakka and semi-pakka houses. Visitor, will you tell me which other tribe people live in Madhya Pradesh? Jam Singh, other tribes which live in Madhya Pradesh are Gonds, Khorkas, Begas, Bhariyas, etc. Jam Singh, visitor, I have heard about Gudni, Bandani, and China. What are they? Jam Singh, these are the art forms of Khorkas and Gonds. Khorkas decorate their doors by Gudni and their walls by Bandani and China. This is a colorful wall painting of the Gonds. Visitor. Nowadays, these art forms are getting recognition at the international level also. I think Pema Fatya and Ram Singh Urvetti also belong to your society. Jam Singh, Pema Fatya is a Bhil artist, but Ram Singh Urvetti is a Gond artist. Visitor. Somewhere in a magazine, I came across a word Gatla. What is it? Jam Singh said, actually, it is a memory pillar which is stone carved and oil painted. It is erected by the Bhils in the memory of a family member who has met with an unnatural death. Visitor, tell me something about your dresses. Jam Singh, yes. Oh, yes. The men wear dhoti, bandi, and colored turban, and the females wear colorful ghagra with polka, kachli, etc. Visitor, I have heard that you people are very fond of ornaments. Here in this page, I want to describe something that Jam Singh said, that there is always a kettle shed adjoining a house. हर घर के पास एक तबेला होता है. Some people means वे अपने मवेशियों को रखते हैं. Some people construct पक्का and semi पक्का houses. कुछ लोग पक्का घर भी बनाते हैं, कुछ लोग आधा पक्का आधा कच्चा घर भी बनाते हैं. Visitor asked, will you please tell me other tribal? Now visitor wanted to know other tribes or tribal people in Madhya Pradesh. Now Jam Singh said the other tribals, other in spite of Bhils, Gonds, Korkas, Begas, Bhariyas, they are also found richly populated in Madhya Pradesh. Now visitor said that he heard about some words. These words are Gudni, Bandani, and China, but he didn't know the meaning of these words. So he asked, what are these words known as? Jam Singh said that these words are the art forms of Korkas and Gonds. Korkas decorate their doors by Gudni and their walls by Bandani. And China is a colorful wall painting decorated by Gonds. So Gudni and Bandani are the decorations of doors made by Korkas, and China is the colorful wall painting made by Gonds. Nowadays, visitors said that nowadays these tribal people are getting recognition. अपनी पहचान बना रहे हैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल ऑल्सो. अंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तर पर भी इनकी बहुत पहचान बन रही है. जैसे पेमा फात्या एंड राम सिंह उर्वेटी का नाम बहुत ज्यादा सामने आ रहा है. Jam Singh said that पेमा फात्या इज भील आर्टिस्ट। जाम सिंह ने कहा कि पेमा फात्या जो है वो भील आर्टिस्ट है और राम सिंह उर्वेटी जो है वो गोंड आर्टिस्ट हैं। Now visitor wanted to know what the meaning of the word गटला। गटला का अर्थ क्या है, आगंतुक ने पूछा। जाम सिंह ने कहा कि ये एक ऐसा स्तंभ है जो किसी की याद में बनाया जाता है और ये पत्थर पर नक्काशी की जाती है और उस पर ऑयल पेंटिंग से सजाया जाता है। इट इज इरेक्टेड, इसे खड़ा किया जाता है किसी भील की याद में, या वो उसके फैमिली मेंबर हो या वो उनके समाज का हो जिसकी डेथ अननेचुरल यानी अप्राकृतिक मृत्यु हुई है और उनका पार्थिव शरीर वहां नहीं पहुंच पाया है, किसी दूर जगह पर उनकी मृत्यु हुई है। सो Gatla is a memory pillar which is stone carved and oil painted. It is erected by Bhil tribes in a memory of their any family members who has met an unnatural death in any far away place. Visitor wanted to know about their dresses. अब आगंतुक उनके पोशाकों के बारे में जानना चाहते थे। Jam Singh said, "Oh, men wear धोती, बंडी एंड कलरफुल टर्बन। जो पुरुष हैं वो धोती पहनते हैं और ऊपर की जो कमीज होती है वो बंडी कहलाती है, और कलर टर्बन यानी रंग बिरंगी पगड़ी, टर्बन यानी पगड़ी होती है। एंड फीमेल्स वेयर घाघरा, पोलका एंड कचली। और जो महिलाएं होती हैं उनकी जो पोशाक होती है वो है घाघरा, पोलका और कचली। नाउ विजिटर asks that they are very fond of ornaments also. ये तो आप सभी को पता है कि tribal peoples are very fond of ornaments. Jam Singh, next page. Jam Singh, yes, we are very fond of ornaments. Both men and women wear earrings and finger rings. Other ornaments are hasli, har, jhumka, nose pin, etc. Visitor, it seems that tattoos are quite common in your society. Jam Singh, yes, it is quite customary amongst us and we call it Gudana. I'll be pleased to know about your fairs and festivals. Jam Singh said, we celebrate Divasa, Diwali, Navai. Navai is a festival when people start consuming corn and other agricultural products, vegetables, etc. after offering them to God. Visitor asked, I have heard a lot about Bhagoria Haat. What's that? Jam Singh, a weekly market a week before Holi is celebrated as Bhagoria. We dance, apply gulal on the faces of our relatives, friends, and offer them sweets and snacks, ice candies, etc. Children enjoy ride on the swing. After asking visitors question about ornaments, Jam Singh said that yes, they are very fond of ornaments. जाम सिंह ने कहा कि उन्हें उनकी जो जाति है, जनजातियों को आभूषण बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है। ऑर्नामेंट्स यानी आभूषण। बोथ मेन एंड विमेन वियर इयररिंग्स। दोनों पुरुष और महिलाएं कान की बाली पहनते हैं। फिंगर रिंग्स, उंगलियों में अंगूठियां पहनते हैं। अदर ऑर्नामेंट्स, जो दूसरे आभूषण है, उनके नाम है हसली, हार, झुमका, नोजपिन, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। Now visitor asked about the tattoo. टैटू के बारे में पूछने पर जाम सिंह ने कहा इट इज कस्टमरी, वो हमारा रिवाज है और इसे हम गुदना नाम से पुकारते हैं। Now visitor asks that What about your fairs and festival? अब विजिटर आगंतुक उनके मेले और त्योहारों के बारे में जानना चाहते थे। जाम सिंह सेड दिवासा, दिवाली, नवई। हम जो त्योहार मनाते हैं उनमें प्रमुख है दिवासा, दिवाली, नवई। नवई उनकी ऐसी त्योहार है जिसमें वो जो पहली फसल होती है, चाहे वो अनाज की हो, मक्के की हो या सब्जियों की हो, वो सबसे पहले इस त्योहार में ईश्वर को ऑफर करते हैं, ईश्वर को भेंट चढ़ाते हैं और फिर आफ्टर दैट दे कंज्यूम, उसके बाद ही वो उसे ग्रहण करते हैं और इस त्योहार को वो नवई कहते हैं। विजिटर आस्क्ड अबाउट भगोरिया हाट। अब आगंतुक का प्रश्न था भगोरिया हाट क्या है? जाम सिंह ने कहा भगोरिया हाट एक ऐसा मार्केट है, एक ऐसी बाजार है या ऐसा मेला लगता है जो होली के एक सप्ताह पहले लगाया जाता है। इसमें वे लोग नाचते हैं, गाते हैं और अपने परिवार, अपने रिश्तेदारों के को गुलाल लगाते हैं, उन्हें मिठाई, स्नैक्स, आइस कैंडीज वगैरह ऑफर करते हैं और बच्चे झूलों में एंजॉय करते हैं। पूरा एक मेले का स्वरूप होता है। Now visitors question was, Tijan Bai is a famous tribal singer of Pandwani music. Which dance forms are popular among Bhils? Jam Singh. Solo is a famous dance of Bhils. Other dance forms are popular among Bhils are Lahari, Pali, Dandavadi, Ghodo, Dung Solo or Chalavadi. These are all the names of different dance forms of Bhil tribes. Now visitor asked about their famous queen. Rani Durgavati was a famous ruler of Gond dynasty. The palaces and different folklores related to the rulers of this dynasty throw some light on their administrative ability, bravery, and mature leadership. Jam Singh, yes, tribals of MP are known not only for their glorious culture and heritage and their colorful lifestyle, but also for their administrative system within their societies. Now I have to go because my nephew, who had gone to exhibit his paintings in UK, is about to come. Visitor, thank you, Jam Singh. Jam Singh, you are welcome, sir. Here, Jam Singh, visitor asked about Tijan Bai. As we all know that Tijan Bai is famous Pandwani music musician, है ना? She is a famous tribal singer of Pandwani music. Whole Mahabharat is she sings the whole Mahabharat in Pandwani form. He asked about the dance forms of Bhils. आप सभी को मालूम है तीजन बाई जो है वो जनजाति सिंगर हैं और पंडवानी गायक है। पूरा महाभारत उन्हें कंठस्थ याद है और वो उन्हें प्रेजेंट करती है और वो इंटरनेशनल फेमस पर्सन है, अंतरराष्ट्रीय पहचान प्राप्त कर चुकी है। Now he asked about the dance, different dance forms. तो जो अलग अलग डांसेस हैं भील्स के वो है सोलो, लहरी, पाली एक्सेट्रा। Now visitor asked about रानी दुर्गावती। जैसे कि हम सभी जबलपुर वासी बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ की ही रानी है और फेमस रानी रानी दुर्गावती जो गोंड डायनेस्टी की, she has a glorious history. Her palaces, different folklores, महल, folklores यानी जो कथाएं हैं, आदिवासियों की जो कथाएं हैं, लोक कथाएं जिनको हम कहते हैं, उनसे हमें गोंड डायनेस्टी यानी गोंड साम्राज्य की जो बहुत ही यशस्वी शानदार समय था, वो सारी चीजें हमें उन लोक कथाओं से ही पता चलता है या लोक गायन से ही पता चलता है, जिनमें रानी दुर्गावती या दूसरे गोंड शासकों की पूरी कहानियां व्याप्त होती हैं. They are very eligible in their administrative ability, bravery, mature leadership. उनकी जो लीडरशिप होती थी, नेतृत्व होता था, वो बहुत स्ट्रांग होता था. They were very brave, बहुत बहादुर होते थे. एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, प्रशासन जो होता था, वो बहुत ही काबिल प्रशासन होता था. Now, Jam Singh said that tribals of MP are not only glorious culture, heritage and colorful lifestyle. मध्य प्रदेश की जनजाति सिर्फ अपने रंग बिरंगी लाइफस्टाइल के लिए ही प्रसिद्ध नहीं है, वे अपने प्रशासन कौशल के लिए भी बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध हैं. अब जाम सिंह को जाना था, because his nephew had gone to exhibit the paintings in UK. He is about to come, और उसे उन्हें रिसीव करना था. So he asked for permission and visitor was grateful. He thanked Jam Singh and Jam Singh said, "You are welcome, sir." In this way, in this lesson, we learned much about um, tribal people and the tribes mainly of MP. Some hard points or main facts are in this lesson are the word bhil derived from the Dravidian word bow, which is their characteristic weapon. Second important or main fact is the tribal rich areas in MP, and the tribal rich areas in MP are Jhabua, Dhar, Khargon, Barwani, Ratlam, etc. They are about their houses. Their houses are very designed. They are with Pithora paintings. They are made. They always settle near forest. They are made of wood and bamboo with tiled roofs and plastered with mud and cow dung. And they are painted with Pithora paintings. Now, some art forms are of Gonds and Korkas are also very famous. The word Gatla means a memory pillar, which is erect, stone carved and oil painted, erected by wheels in memory of their family members who had met an unnatural death. About their dresses, both men and women are very fond of ornaments and colorful dresses. Men wear dhoti, bandi, and colorful turbans. Women wear ghagra, polka, and kachli. Both they are fond of ornaments. They wear earrings, finger rings, and other different ornaments are har, hasli, jhumka, etc. Now tattoos, as we all know, is famous by the name Gudna. Divasa, Diwali and Navai are the main festivals celebrated by Bhils. Navai is a festival of offering new agricultural products to God and then only consuming. Bhagoria Haat is a haat or a market week before Holi in which they dance, they sing, they apply gulal on the faces of their relatives, friends, offer them sweets, ice candies, etc. And it is a very big fair which is arranged before a week Holi. Tijan Bai is famous tribal singer of Pandwani music, and she is also internationally famous person. Now, Rani Durgavati was a famous Gond dynasty queen, and she had a very vast and glorious history of her dynasty. Now, these glorious wheels are not only, or tribal peoples are not only, people are not only famous for their colorful lives, but they are also famous for their administrative ability. I want to show you some pictures of their paintings. as this is the paintings of tribe people or the Bhil people. This type of paintings, they decorate their walls and their doors, etc. Bhil people enjoy Bhagoria Haat. Their ornaments, as they are very fond of ornaments. Both men and women, they are fond of ornaments. In this picture, you can see Navai festival. People with their baskets of their vegetables or crops for offering came to offer them to God, and after them only they dance. In here also they dance, play, was sing. They offer their productions to God, and then only they consume it. A vast picture of Bhagoria Haat. Large number of people gather from not only from village, from different places. They come to their village during this time to enjoy, to meet with each other in this Bhagoria Haat, which is organized or arranged a week before Holi. In this way, they enjoy in Bhagoria Haat. They dance. See how clearly it is seen that they are dancing and singing. They are very enjoyable people, and they dance, sing, and enjoy the dances forms of tribe people. Tijan Bai, she is a famous Pandwani singer, and she dances and sings Pandwani music, uh, in which whole Mahabharat is described. Now, I want to share a small a summary of this lesson. This lesson is about to know more about our tribes. A visitor went to a tribal village to know more about their society, lifestyle, art and culture, its food and festivals. Bhils are also found in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra in India. Tribal rich areas in MP are Jhabua, Dhar, Khargon, Barwani, Ratlam, etc. Tribals settle near forest. They decorate walls of their houses with Pithora painting. They make cattle shed adjoining a house. Other tribes which live in MP are Gonds, Korkas, Begas, Bharias, etc. Pema Fatya and Ram Singh Urveti are tribal artists. Gatla is a memory pillar which is stone carved and oil painted. Tribal women wear colorful ghagra, polka, kachli, and men wear dhoti, bandi, and colored turbans. They are very fond of ornaments. Both men and women wear ornaments. Navai, Diwali, Divasa are some main festivals celebrated by tribes. Bhagoria Haat is a famous market which is held before a week before Holi. Tijan Bai is a famous tribal singer of Pandwani music. Rani Durgavati was a famous ruler of Gond dynasty. Thus, tribals of MP are known for their glorious cultural heritage, colorful lifestyle, and their administrative system within their society. Now, if we move on to question answers, these answers of these questions are just given in book only. What does the word wheel stand for? We all know wheel stand for is derived from a word, Dravidian word, will, which means bow, and it is their characteristic weapon. Tribal rich areas in MP, Dhar, Jhabua, Khargon, Barwani, Ratlam, etc. Gatla, erected by wheel in the memory of stone carved pillar, oil painted in the memory of their family members who has met some unnatural death. Wheel women wear ghagra, polka, kachli, important dance forms solo, lahari, pali, dandavati, godo, dung solo, and chalavati. Tribal personalities, Pema Fatya, some tribal personalities who got recognition at international levels. Tijanbai, Pema Fatya, Ram Singh Urveti are the tribal personalities who are not only famous nationally but internationally also. Short note on Bhagoria Haat, we all know it is a heart held before a week of Holi, celebrated by the tribal people. They apply gulal on the faces of their relatives, offer sweets and ice candy snacks. People enjoy, children enjoy riding on swings, etc. In this way, we see that tribes in our country has a very rich culture, heritage, and their history is very glorious history, and they are very ancient also. They migrate also from one place to another, and their villages, if we go to their villages have colorful houses, and they always settle near mm, forest, and they all have love kettles, so they all have a kettle shed adjoining their houses. Then they are very enjoying persons, they enjoy dances, they uh, go to, and in every festival they dance, they play, and they sing songs, and these all things we have seen in tvs also, and many other things. In this way, it is seen that the tribal rich areas of MP have a vast, glorious function, vast, glorious cultural heritage. Next class, we'll again meet with another important and interesting lesson. I hope I could convey some message of tribal region, their tribal people, and their colorful lifestyle, their cultural heritage, their administrative ability, etc. Thank you so much, and namaskar.